Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In yesterday's video I posted my last video I shared with you a powerful strategy you can use to scalp the market for a long hours, and also catch multiple spikes. All right, so in today's video I want to show you an example of a trade I took that is giving, currently you can see, is giving massive profit with this same strategy, guys. You see, so based on my explanation from the explanation yesterday, if you watched the video, or if you did not watch, then you just listen, and I'm going to explain it right here again so that you understand how I was able to catch these multiple spikes. All right, so first of all, let's go to the 1 minute time frame so you can see long how many spikes I've been able to catch. Guys, you can see this is massive. This is massive, and currently I'm in a profit of about how many? Please let me see my I can only try to close the trade so that it can show my, you can see now about $79. It was over $80 in profit. It's currently $79 and it's still running. I'm still expecting more spikes. Guys. All right, so meanwhile, let me explain how I got this entry and I was able to take this trade. So first of all, we go to the daily time frame. That's how the strategy works. You go to the daily time frame, then take note of your resistance and support and key level. When you mark out your key levels, and so you know where your resistance is and where your support is, like where market would mostly react, and the strategy also requires you understand candlestick patterns, daily candlestick patterns. If you're able to identify, to know candlestick patterns, and you know what happens after seeing a particular pattern, then you have an edge over this strategy, guys. All right, now, so the thing is this: currently on my chart, you can see that this particular candlestick right here that was formed like about 4 days ago, this one here is an engulfing candlestick pattern, a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, which signals that the next day's candlestick, the next day market is going to be bearish. And you can see the market was bearish throughout that second day until it got to this level and started retracing to this level. Now you can see after this level, then the market continued buying. On the third day, that is yesterday, the market bought and got to this level, then sold down to this level, then bought again to this level, giving another candlestick pattern. I don't know how they call this particular pattern. If you know the name, then take note of it. This is what I'm talking about: a very long wick at the to the top side, to the upside, and a small body down here. This also signals that the next candlestick will be bullish. This also signals that the next day's candlestick is going to be bullish, and that next day is the current day candlestick right now. You can see that after the close of this candlestick at this point, we should take note, like I explained in the previous video, that there is always a retracement. In fact, let me not use the word always, but there is mostly retracement, in after seeing maybe an engulfing candlestick pattern, or maybe any kind of chart pattern. Most times that you will have to wait for retracement depending on what you have on the chart right at that time. Like here, you must want to wait for a retracement because the market closed down at this point, and there's a chance that it has to come to this particular low here. If you can remember my strategy, one of the strategies I posted in my videos like about 4 weeks ago or last month, you can remember that the market might want to get to this level first, then retest at this level, then continue, start buying to the upside. You see, so right now the market, with this candlestick pattern, when I opened the chart, I noticed that the market had already sold to this level and retested, and then gone up. The market got up to this high. You understand? Before I got to this chart, the market had already gotten to this particular where we have the wick of this current days candlestick. So on seeing that, I knew that the market was going to buy. So I had to go down to the 15 minutes time frame. So I went down to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I found that there was a key support area or a key level around this zone where the market has been buying and selling. Let me change the color of this zone to something else better can use. I don't have the feel. And let me change this color to maybe black. Now let me change this color to black. All right, so as you can see, this was a strong zone. This is a strong zone right here. Market bought and sold at this point. So on looking at this thing, and I noticed where was yesterday's candlestick? Today is 21st of February. Where did yesterday's candlestick end? And 20th of February, sorry, of March, it ended at this point. It ended here. Let me get something to mark it where it ended so that we know. Sorry, I have to use a vertical line to do that. I think this is where I saw it. I think it's right here. One moment while I confirm this. Yes, that's when yesterday's candlestick, daily candlestick closed. So the current day's candlestick, what it did was it actually went down a bit. It actually went down a bit. Let me get the arrow line too. You see, it went sold a bit, then went up to this key level, came down, then it bought through. If I saw this happening, if I had seen when this happened, then I probably would have entered a trade because I would know that it has broken. It has gone above. How do we call it? This one moment. Let me just go to the daily time frame to show what I'm trying to talk about. Where is that daily time frame? All right. So you can see, I want to confirm that the market has hit where it's going to reverse. So although based on yesterday's strategy, if we confirm the market was going to reverse, then we will enter the market at that point. So like going back to the 15 minutes time frame, we will mark this level. Let's mark where the market actually reversed. I use a horizontal line and mark. Let me take this one off. You can see. So the market reversed at the on the low of the previous 2 days candlestick. So I would have to go to, and the previous 2 days that should be 19th of February, March. So I'll go to this 15 minutes time frame, then look for it. Where is 19th of March? Let's see if we can trace it. I want to show you how you can use this strategy. 19th of March, where did it start? Okay, started from this point. Starts from it's going. Where did it end? Okay. Okay, see where it ended here. It ended around here. You see, so the market actually came down to retest this particular level where the 19th of March candlestick had its low. So on market coming back to that level, you can see it started retesting, buying again, and this is the beginning of today's candlestick. So on market coming to that previous 2 days week or low, you see started buying to the upside. So if I was on the chart, maybe on seeing this very bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, maybe I would have entered the trade. But knowing fully well that there's a strong resistance zone at this point, maybe I would have closed the trade on getting to this level. But you can see on getting the market sold back down, came back, got back to this level and still went up, because based on what we saw on the previous day's candlestick, there's a very high chance the market must buy. You see, so it didn't even get back to this previous low that was created here. So on getting to this point, it started spiking again. It broke this level, came back to retest and went up. So I met the chart at this point. When I got to this chart, I noticed the market was creating higher highs and higher lows. The market was creating higher highs and higher lows. So I decided I was going to wait, and the market was actually around this particular point here. I was waiting to see if it can come here and give me a good indication that it's going to buy again. Then I will enter, because I will assume this will be the third touch. But on getting to this level, the market continued selling. There was no confirmation, so I did not enter a sell. The market continued. So I just believed it on how it has been able to break through this particular trend line. Then the next target would be this key level here, where the market has been buying massively and selling previous times. So I expected the market to come and buy from here. So on getting here, if you go to, I think, 1 minute time from the 5 minute time frame, you'll see there was a first spike that occurred before I entered the trade. After then I entered the trade. On entering the trade, you see the market has been spiking to this side. Then if you go to that 1 minute time frame, you see a whole lot of spike, although it is retracing now. You see it's retracing. You see, this is a whole lot of spikes, guys, multiple spikes. This strategy really works. The strategy really works. So the LCM of the whole stuff is, you go to the daily time frame, look at the previous day's candlestick. If it gives you a pattern that confirms a reversal in the market, then you wait for a retracement. When target then the recent low of the low of the current of the previous day's candlestick, or the low of the previous 2 days candlestick, or high or close, just anywhere around it that you notice a good resistance or support. Then once the current day's candlestick gets there, ensure you go down to a low, get your entry. Once you get your entry, allow the trade to run with peace of mind. You don't rush to close the trade. When you rush to close the trade, you'll be leaving a lot of money on the table, and maybe you'll be so scared of a little retracement, and you think the market would kick you out and you will lose some money. But no, as you can see, upon all the retracements that it has been doing, as shown on this 1 minute time frame, you can see spikes, came down, spikes, and continued going. I still expect more spikes, although this one I know it's just reacting to this particular trend line here. So if I close now, I know I will still bag enough money. So I want to close this trade at this point if I want. I'm not a greedy person. I can close at this point. How much is left? By $59 from $80.59. I can just close and it's okay. Besides, I used a little lot size of 1.0. Guys, so it's a very simple strategy. If you do not understand my explanation on this particular video, in this video, you watch yesterday's video, the previous day's video, and I believe you will understand it more better. I'll still be doing more videos in regard to this strategy so that you learn from it. And currently I still have some trades running. Let me see. Based on the same strategy, I think I have a trade running on crash 1000. Oh, it spiked and it's back into losses. I'm still expecting more spikes. That's why I've not closed this trade. I'm still expecting more spikes. I'm expecting more spikes. I think I have a trade on boom 500. Do I do not have a trade on boom 500. Let me see, crash 500. Do I have a trade there? Okay, see a lot of spikes on this one. Currently on $25. Still on the same strategy. I do not want to make the video too long, guys. I do not want to make this video too long, and I'm expecting more spikes from this particular pair. Although here's my target already. Here's my target. Target is what? About $47 is the target for this particular one. So guys, this strategy is really working. If you want to make some money, do not miss this strategy. Practice it with your whole heart. All right, guys. So if you want to enroll in my mentorship, so that you can be able to be bagging enough monies from the market and stop giving the market money, get money from the market, you just contact me. There's a link in the description of this video. The link will take you to my Telegram channel where I post updates and other information and about our events. So there you will also find my direct link to contact me. So click on that link, contact me, then let's see how we can schedule a time for you, and you must be ready to learn. Must be ready to pay to learn, guys. Withdraw money from your derivative account, pay for knowledge, get the knowledge, apply it, make some money, and enjoy your life. That's what you need. You need money to solve problems. So contact me as soon as you can. This is already March. I hope you are planning to make some money and make it big this year, guys. Stop funding your accounts with money and blowing them every time. I want you to start withdrawing every week or every day. With these my powerful strategies, I can guide you to succeed if you want to be guided to succeed, guys. All right, so without wasting so much time, like this video. It doesn't take you anything. It doesn't you don't lose anything subscribing to this channel, guys. Just subscribe to this channel. You are benefiting from this video, I know, and I want you to encourage me. That's the only encouragement, is by subscribing to this video, liking this video. Let me see your thoughts in the comment section so that we can continue helping you guys and make money. Let's make money together and make it great this year. All right, guys, so till my next video, peace out.